How are you, ma? Good evening. Good evening. Good evening, children. How did you celebrate your festival? Okay. Fine. See here. Exponents and powers. Standard form. How to convert the large numbers for our convenient? We used to convert the large numbers into standard form. What is the standard form? That number should be 10 power. For example, 10 power something we have to write, and that number should be between 1 and 10. 0 and 10 only. That number should be 1, 0 and 10, and the remaining numbers should be we have to write 10 to the power 10 powers we have to write. See here, if you see the example, you will know better. See how to convert the large numbers into standard form. See, for example, first one 6 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 like this. One number is there. I want to convert this number for my convenience, because see, if the point is here, if the point is, see, for normal numbers, we have to assume that the point is here. So if it jumps from here to here, 1 point, if it jumps means we have to write into 10 to the power of 1 power. If it jumps 2 times, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I want to keep here point. I am moving towards left side. If I jump 1 time, powers will come, 1 power will come. In the same way, how many times I jumped? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11. So 6 into, how to write this big number? How to write this big number in the standard form? See, 6 into 10 to the power of 11. That means, see, this number should be in between 0 to 10. 0 to 10. Between these numbers only, this number should be there. Then this one, 10 to the power of 4. Powers, if you see that number, instead of writing like this, if you write like this, it is very easy to remember or see or recognize. See here, while writing this type of big numbers, you may forget to write 1 0. For example, here 11 zeros means, while writing in another book, what you will do? You will miss 1 or 2 zeros. While counting, you will miss. So for our convenience, we are converting these big numbers into standard form. That is like this, 6 into 10 to the power of 11. See, one more example you see. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, if the point is here, point is not there. Just for normal numbers, we have to keep at last, no? That's why. So it jumps. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here it jumped. So 8 into 10 to the power of 8. This is the standard form for this number. That this number should be in between 0 to 10 only. We should not write 11, or up to here we should not write 80 into 10 to the power of 7. This is wrong. This is not the standard form. Otherwise 800 into 10 to the power of 6 we should not write. So in this way we have to write the standard forms for the big numbers. For example, if the number is like this, that means see, 76500000000 like this. So for this one, I want to write standard form. That means the decimal is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means decimal came here. So 7. 765 into 10 to the power of 7. Is it a standard form? No, it is not a standard form. Again, the decimal should move towards 2 steps. 2 steps it should move. So 7.65 into 10 to the power of how many steps it moved? 2 steps into 10 to the power of 7. See here, a power m, a power n, a power m plus n. So 7.65 into 10 to the power of 2 plus 7, 2 plus 7. So 7.65 into 10 to the power of 9. This is the standard form. See here, if you observe this one, 7 point, before point, the number should be between 0 to 10. The numbers should be in the standard form. That is 7.65 into 10 to the power of 9 is the standard form. This is not the standard form. Okay, one more example we will see. 8, 3, 4, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So how to write the standard form for this big number? See how many jumps we have to do here. If you think decimal is here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here it came. So 8, 3, 4, 5 into 10 to the power of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it a standard form? No, it is not a standard form. So point is now here. Again you have to jump. How many times? 3 times. Because only this number should come. 8.345 into 10 to the power of how many jumps we moved to the left? 3 jumps. So write 3. Already 10 to the power of 6 is there. So you have to write 8.345 into 10 to the power of 3 plus 6, 9. According to this formula, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Okay, this is the standard form. Why? Because before point it is in between 1 to 10 only. Next, how to write? Up to now we saw the larger numbers, how to convert the larger numbers into standard form. Now we will see the smaller numbers, how to convert the smaller numbers into standard form. How to convert the smaller numbers into standard form. See one example. 0.000003. How to write this one? First of all, see we can write like this, no? 3 by how many zeros? You think this point as 1. Remaining all zeros you have to keep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this way, I just converted the decimal form into fractional form. Now, I will write 10 power, 10 to the power of 7. If this 10 to the power of 7 is in denominator, if it comes to the numerator, what will happen? 3 into 10 to the power of minus 7. This is the standard form. 3 into 10 to the power of minus 7 is the, see how it came. 1 by a power m is equal to a power minus m. According to this formula, I changed this as like this. Okay. One more example we'll see. 0.00005. How to write this one? First change this decimal to fractional form. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 to the power of 5. So how to change this one? 5 into reciprocal. 10 to the power of minus 5. If it comes to the numerator place, it will change to minus. Powers will change to negative. So 5 into 10 to the power of minus 5. See one more example how to change the smaller numbers. See here 0.00000145. How to change this one? See same way 145 by, after point how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 to the power of 7. So if it comes to the numerator, what will happen? 145 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Is it a standard form? No, it is not a standard form. Why? Because the number is 145. That means it is not between 0 to 10. So we have to put the point from here to here. So it is moving this side, left side. So 1.45 into how many jumps? It jumped to 2 jumps. So 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7. See here, a plus b, a power m into a power n. So what is the formula? A power m plus n. So according to this formula, 1.45 into 10 to the power of 2 plus of minus 7. So 1.45 into 10 to the power of plus 2 minus 7. Plus of minus minus. 7 minus 2, 5. Before big numbers minus symbol. So 1.45 into 10 to the power of minus 5 is the standard form for this problem. Okay. One more example. One more. Last example for this smallest number. How to convert the smallest number into standard form. See. 0.000145 Okay, how to convert this one? First change this into fractional form. 1456 by how many point after how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. 10 to the power of 7. So 1456 into 10 to the power of, if it comes to the numerator, it becomes minus 7. So this is not a standard form. Still, this point should come to the 3 jumps. 1, 2, 3 jumps it should jump. 1.456 into how many jumps it jumped? So 3 jumps into already 10 to the power of minus 7 is there. 10 to the power of minus 7. See 1.456 into 10 to the power of plus 3 minus 7. Plus 3 minus 7. Already I explained you how this one came according to the law. So 1.456 into 10 to the power of plus 3 minus 7 how much? Minus 4. This is the standard form for this smallest big number. For our convenience we are converting them into standard forms. Thank you.